What if this tiny ball of fluff could take down a lion? Sounds insane, right? Of course it can't, but the truth about the red panda is even crazier than that. Fluffy tail, teddy bear face, and eyes that melt your heart. Yet behind this cuteness hides one of the rarest and most mysterious animals on Earth. Tell me, have you ever seen a red panda before? If yes, you are one of the lucky few. If not, stick around, because after today, you'll never forget it. They call it the Firefox. And yes, it's the animal that inspired the famous browser logo. But here's the twist. The red panda isn't a panda. It isn't a fox, and it isn't even a raccoon. It's in a family all by itself. Barely 2 feet tall, with a tail almost as long as its body, it's like nature stitched together the cutest animal it could imagine. If you had to rename the red panda, what would you call it? Fox cat, mini bear, or just cutest animal ever? Comment your pick below. So, where do these little fluff balls live? High in the misty forests of the Himalayas, across Nepal, Bhutan, India, and China. They're expert climbers, spending most of their lives in trees. With claws sharper than knives and balance that would impress a gymnast, they leap branch to branch with ease. But here's a secret, you'll almost never see them. Why? Because they're nocturnal. By day they hide, by night they roam. Did you guess that right? Day animal or night animal? Drop your answer in the comments. Now here's the irony. Red pandas are classified as carnivores. But 95% of their diet is bamboo. Yup, a carnivore that basically eats salad all day. Of course, they'll occasionally grab some berries, fruit, or even insects, but bamboo is life. And when the Himalayan nights turn freezing, watch closely, they curl up and wrap their big fluffy tails around themselves like a winter blanket. Survival meets cuteness. Tell me, is this the cutest survival strategy you've ever seen? Yes or no? Fact 1. The Firefox logo? Yup, that's inspired by the red panda. Fact 2. There are fewer than 10,000 left in the wild. Fact 3. They can rotate their ankles to climb down trees head first. How many of these did you already know? 1, 2, or none at all? Be honest in the comments. But here's where it gets real. The red panda is officially endangered. Deforestation, poaching, and climate change are wiping out the bamboo forests they depend on. And without bamboo, there is no red panda. The good news? Conservation programs across Asia are working to protect them, building sanctuaries, planting forests, and spreading awareness. If you could help save the red panda, what's the first step you'd take? Plant more trees, spread awareness, or support a conservation group? So no, the red panda can't hunt lions, but it doesn't need to. With its fluffy tail blanket, midnight adventures, and the title of the real Firefox, it's already one of nature's most legendary creatures. Now your turn. Did the red panda surprise you today? Which fact blew your mind the most? If you loved this journey, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Wild Soul 4K, because the wild has countless more secrets waiting to be discovered. Until next time, stay curious, stay wild.